Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Yeah, quick info about the Natgas chart. We had a significant rally today. I mean, nothing too substantial, but a good intraday rally after we had a 5-wave move down in what was probably wave 1. We had these 5 waves down, yeah, after the wave 4 topped here. Wave 4 corrective rally, 5 waves down, so that's why we assume the wave 4 topped. And then we were watching down here for a 3-wave rally in what would be an A, B, C structure. So in this video, I want to talk about a possible target for wave C. And from there, then we are going to watch for a 3rd wave down, which can send us into the maybe mid $1, yeah, low to mid $1 region. Okay, 120, 150, we'll have to see where the wave 2 tops. Zooming in. Don't be surprised by the laser show here, but these trend lines are just additional triggers I'm using also for trading. This was a great entry. You see the execution labels here. This was a great entry for Natgas for a possible long trade. The reason why this was an interesting one, just sort of reviewing it, was we talked about this trend line. Yeah, I mean, combination of trend lines and Elliott wave can work well when we are deep, or at least when we are in support, when we're watching for a reversal anyway, and then we get a low risk entry based on a couple of trend lines here, and we had a surge. I mean, it doesn't happen every day like that. That was decent, so I take that trend line out now. That was good to get an understanding of when the next move up would start. That would be wave C of A, yeah, or it's already wave C of 2. We'll have to see. In the short term, I'm now watching for a 5-wave pattern to the upside to develop. That could be here, wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback, 3 to the upside, a wave 4 pullback, wave 5 to the upside. This is what I'm going to watch now going forward. Again, we have a couple of trend lines here. These are actually quite meaningful because also here we have 1, 2, 3 touch points now. I would prefer at some point now a bit of a pullback, but we might still grind a little higher. The thing is, at some point now, this wave 2 is going to be due. That's the wave 2 pullback of wave C to the upside. I will add a support zone now for a wave 2 pullback, and it's defined between so let me just add them. $2.13 and $2.19. Key support here for a wave 2 pullback. No sign it started. Looks a bit exhausted now. Looks like 5 waves up to me, so we could be in wave 5 of 1. So if I'm adding microstructures, indeed possible this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There might be another 1, 2 hidden here. I mean, it might still stretch higher. I'm not calling for a top yet here, but it's absolutely possible that we are sort of in a wave 5. There could be another 4-5 pattern in here, basically. Yeah, but it just gives us. I mean, you can't predict every wave. It just gives you tendencies, but you could also check here maybe this local trend line, and then when we start to break down, this might be an indication that wave 2 has started. Either way, the risk is now high. The risk down here was low. We've now pushed from support into basically resistance. You've got these trend lines here now. But we can watch for 2 things now. First of all, for a potential pullback into the support region. And then we can also watch for a possible upside breakout directly above the trend lines. Just note that support is far away now, Fibonacci support at least. Yeah, I just want to help you understand the structure, latest structure. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.